Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos on iPhone 16e. As you delete a photo by clicking on the trash icon, the photo is not yet permanently removed. It is deleted for 30 days. Is moved to the recently deleted folder, and after that period of time it'll be permanently removed. So if 30 days haven't gone since that time when you deleted that photo, you can just go in the Photos app to the recently deleted under Utilities. Now click on View Album and unlock with your Face ID, and then you'll see all the recently deleted photos, and you can click on a photo to either delete it permanently or to recover it. And when you recover it, it'll just go back to the place in gallery where it was left earlier. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.